Hey guys, today I'm taking you to Badminton. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to do a side quest since I don't have shoes. So yeah, let's go and grab some shoes and then we're gonna play some badminton. I found like 3 shoe places and I don't even know if they exist. Google Maps is crazy. Last time we tried to find a badminton place, we had to go to 3 places because on Google it says they exist, but in reality we couldn't find them. So yeah, let's go to the first shoe place and see if it exists.
Step number 1, get on your bike. Step number 2, grab your Google Maps. Ready?
I've got a little prep. Let's go. I'm slowly getting used to riding a bike on the Bali streets. It's not stressful anymore and the flow of traffic is starting to become familiar. But you can't get too comfortable because anything can happen. What is this? What is this traffic? Oh my god, there's another car.
Yeah.
And that's a perfect example of how anything can happen. We're now getting closer to our first destination. Can we find what we're looking for? Only time will tell.
So, I guess we found it?
The place is just a house. They're just thrifting shoes. Like they just get like a bunch of shoes from recycling or whatever, a charity, and they just refurbish them and sell them. Thankfully, there's a sign on the gate and the garage door was open, so you can clearly see all the shoes from the outside. We were let in and 2 cute dogs ran out to greet us. Of course, Sarah instantly got attracted to them.
Hello, babies. Hello. You're all very friendly. Hi. Hello. Yeah, well behaved.
Anyway, their collection looked pretty decent. Very clean and organized. If any of you are into shoes, I would recommend checking this place out. The guy showed me the shoes that were my size, and after quickly looking around, I found a pair that I liked. Of course, I had to try it on. Honestly, I really liked them. They fit well, the quality was good, and the price he quoted was not too bad. But I didn't want to commit to buying them just yet. Okay, so I kind of like those shoes, but I want to check out more options. So we're gonna go to like a bigger store where you can buy new shoes. Trying to find it on the Google Maps.
Meanwhile, while he looks on Google Maps, we shall look around the area for a bit. That's a banana tree. Okay, end of the tour.
Oh wow, what a wonderful tour by Sarah. Thank you very much. Okay, it's time to get going. I found the next location, so let's hit the road. This time we had to go on the main big road. Just look at this. There's always traffic, especially at the traffic lights where everyone gets bunched up. I'm so glad we're on the bike and can just slip through it all.
We're here at the second store.
As you can see, it's more of an actual store this time. Their collection is alright, but limited. I like the material of these shoes. They feel light and would probably be good for what I'm gonna use them for. After looking around, the prices are about 300 to 600,000, so I guess that's relatively affordable. However, when it came to sizing, basically, they don't have any sizes that are bigger than 42, and I'm 43, 44, so I'm thinking, do we go back to that place and just get those shoes? We have an hour, or we can go to a place that's closer to the badminton place and see what they have. I don't know. Gotta think about this. The next place that I had in mind is closed actually. It's gonna be only open at 1:30, and by that time we're gonna be playing badminton. So I think I'm gonna go back and get those New Balance shoes. I'm gonna save you guys the journey this time and take you straight there. Before buying the shoes, I needed to try them on once again. Both shoes this time. And as I put both of them on, there was no going back. I had to get them.
You managed to haggle from 450 to to 430, which is honestly not that
€1
bad.
basically.
Yeah.
But it's decent. 430,000. I think that's like 20 pounds or 25 euros, something like that. But yeah.
Yeah, they were very welcoming as well, friendly.
Yeah, the people are friendly and nice.
And the
Yeah,
dogs.
we'll leave them a good review. Alright, it's time to get to Badminton, let's go. The roundabout near Jimbaran Beach is insane. I still don't know when exactly I can go or not. I always just hope there's gonna be other drivers around to do the first move. But all is well, and we continue our journey to Badminton.
We have arrived, safe and sound.
Hell yeah. Finally, we get to play some badminton. This badminton court is called JSC Badminton, and it's pretty cheap, costing 50,000 for 1 hour. You can also rent rackets and shuttlecocks there too. The only downside is it doesn't have AC. We took court A. Last time we played court B. They're doing left-handed. There's some plants coming in. That's normal. Gives us extra oxygen, as Mike said. The first time we tried to look for a badminton court, we actually struggled to find one, because when we searched on Google Maps, it recommended us places that simply did not exist. So only when we got there, we find out that the place is either demolished or some random government building, or just some villa or something. Anyway, this place is good enough. It's close to Jimbaran Beach, so you can go there for a walk or maybe a quick swim after the sesh. You can probably already tell that we're not regular badminton players. Me and Sarah simply want to stay active whilst we're here in Bali, and we both like badminton, so we thought, why not make it a regular thing? Our friend Mike also likes it, so I guess it's a win-win. I definitely want to try out other badminton courts, perhaps with AC, because it does get super hot in here after a while. Maybe even try out some different sports like tennis or pickleball, or anything else that gets us moving. Believe me, I've done enough sitting and gaming at a desk in my life. So if you know anything that's fun to do in Bali, let me know. One thing I noticed having been back in Bali is that the days go by so quickly. And if I don't make any concrete plans, it feels like I'm wasting my time here. I actually had to sit down and probably make a routine for myself and Sarah, because if we don't get out the house, we end up feeling depressed and unproductive. We also don't want to just go out randomly and spend a bunch of money on random unplanned stuff. I'm sure Sarah wouldn't mind that too much, since she loves shopping, but I'm a man of structure and I need some sort of routine. I've actually got a few activities that I definitely want to do, like go-karting and snorkeling. So if you're interested in seeing that in the future, subscribe. Oh, and that's a power outage. It's actually quite common here, believe it or not. The power did come back in like 30 seconds, which is quite weird because usually it takes longer, but I think that's our signal to finish up for the day. We actually ended up playing for longer than an hour, right up until a school group came and played some tournaments. We all decided that we're actually quite hungry, so after searching what's around, we ended up coming here to L'Osteria. It's a nice Italian restaurant that's right around the corner. The interior looks pretty cool and gave off very European vibes. Sarah was desperate to try their lasagna. She has this weird obsession to try every Italian restaurant's lasagna, even though she is lactose intolerant. The place was kind of pricey and the bill came up to 630,000. So you can definitely tell this is an authentic Italian restaurant. Believe it or not, we spent nearly 4 hours just sitting and talking. And guess what? After that, we thought it'd be a great idea to go for a nice long walk. And you have no choice but to come with us. So let's go. It's already getting dark. The place that we wanted to walk is close to Bali Art Collection, which was on the other side of South Kuta. So by the time we got there, it was already dark. I can't believe we spent 4 hours just sitting in restaurants and just chilling and talking. It's crazy.
4 hours have passed already?
Yeah. It's like, it's sunset already after 6, by the way, but it always sets at the same time in Bali, so...
It always gets dark at the same time, always 6 p.m.
Yeah, exactly. The badminton was really good. We played a lot. I'm kind of tired. I had pizza, but I'm still hungry.
Hard crash.
So we're just decided to just walk around here. I don't know exactly where, but hopefully Mike can tell us where we can go. It's quite dark, so I don't know how much we're gonna be recording, but yeah. This is actually a great test for my camera. let's see how well it does in low light settings. As you may or may not know, Bali isn't the most walkable place. The sidewalks are often narrow and broken, if they exist in the first place. Bikes use them to avoid traffic and it's just not great. But this place in Nusa Dua is surprisingly walkable. We saw many people jogging and walking here while we were driving. We didn't really have a plan on where to go and just followed the path that's laid out to us, just like in The Wizard of Oz. The fountains looked really nice, all lit up, and felt majestic. At some point I saw a big entrance, and in the night it looked super cool. So we diverted. Look at this. Very cool gate. I like. Spa time. Just kidding. we're in a side quest to find a toilet for Sarah. Yeah, they just have like some random, nice smelling, little oil things.
Wow.
Ooh,
I love.
look at this pool. Oh, there's tennis courts.
Oh yeah, they have a tennis court here.
Cool.
Here.
Toilet?
Yeah.
Ladies' changing rooms. Okay. We found it.
The toilet is going to be on one of You'll find the toilet, don't worry.
I don't know if we're supposed to be here, but we are here. And after a quick toilet break, we continued our journey. At this point, we thought, why not go to the beach? So we had two choices, either go back and around this hotel, or take a shortcut through it. You can definitely tell which path we took. There was so much there, but sadly a little bit too dark to record everything. We found a swing. Sarah's just chilling. I think we found the path. Mike's leading us to the beach.
Oh, we're pretty much at the beach.
Yeah, the wind's picking up. I can definitely feel it. Oh wow, they're just having dinner. That's cute. Two people having dinner. Yeah, I think they got married.
It's very nice now.
That's so romantic. We found a hammock on the beach and I couldn't not try it. The warm breeze from the ocean and the distant music in the background, it all felt surreal. As we walked forward, the beach was lively. There were markets, restaurants, and so many people. We even found an outdoor gym. This is to show tomorrow how we do this in Bali.
Bali style. Alright, Victor, focus.
Oh, it's actually good. It's uncomfortable.
What is?
Put it back.
Well done.
Yes. Okay, now that's over. I think it's time to finish off the video. I would definitely recommend coming here in the evening and just having a nice walk. It took us just over an hour and a half, by the way. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.